How to log in to ADP in mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into ADP in your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for ADP Login. ADP Login and hit enter. After you hit enter, you'll find ADP's logins. So from here, simply tap on the login option on the top. After you tap on that, this page will load up and now you can find what you want to log in into. So if you're an employee, you can simply search for what you want to log in for employee, that is your paycheck or for your direct deposit or such stuff here. And for administrator, there are also different stuff and including accountants and financial advisors. So there are the common logins. So I'll just select common login and let's say that I want to log in for ADP advisor access and financial advisor login. An example, you can choose whichever you want. So now this should load. It can take some time depending on your speed. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now all you have to do is type in the user ID. So type in the user ID, whatever it is, and finally your password. Then tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how you log in into your ADP or from your mobile. Thanks for watching guys. That's all. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.